Audience, yeah, there's, yeah.
Golf tomorrow.
How you doing? Alright.
Princess Way.
Speech 175 Group Project. Our group project is on how we can improve the online classes at NCMC. This is one of my first online classes, so I really don't have anything to compare Speech 175 to. So I've talked to a lot of my friends that have done some online classes, and what I have gathered through the conversations I've had, they all have one thing in common, and that is they would like more interaction with their instructor and classmates. Because online classes, you're never in a classroom, and you very seldom have much contact, at least face-to-face contact, with your teacher or your other classmates. This is where it comes into one of our goals is to get a video chat, which our group came up with several different ideas, video chat being one of them, an audio chat, teleconferencing, which I believe this would help bridge the gap in communication that is very common in online courses. We also came up with a way that we could get our homework on a consistent basis. This has been a problem that we have experienced on this class. And it is a program that uploads your homework the same day, every week, the same time. And right now this program is being utilized at UMKC, and it is called Blackboard Technologies. So I believe, since this is at another college, that it is a proven program. I think that it would be a good tool for us to use, and it would help future students at our college get their homework and be able to get everything accomplished in the time frame that they need to. In an interview I conducted with Mr. Alexander, who works for NCMC in the IT department, we discussed several different forms of chats, video chat, audio chat, and the one that he agreed that would be the best would be Skype. And because Skype is free, NCMC would more than likely approve this due to their limited funding and budget problems. So I felt that Skype would be a real good tool for any of the classes, but especially speech class, because once again online we have limited communications. Our communications at NCMC has been very limited. According to Richard Slott, a PhD, in an article he wrote, effective student and instructor communication is critical for all classes, especially online classes. For the success of the students, it is very important for them to seek knowledge through inquiry versus memorization. Instructors should be there for not only answering questions that students have, but also encouraging students to ask questions. That's a very important process of the learning. Instructors communicate on a minimal level with students today, and that is a common problem. To broaden the range of communication and keep them going, you need to utilize all the available media, such as emails, instant messaging, telephone conversations, face-to-face contact, video chat. If one of those mediums fail, don't give up on it, go to the next one. Keep your options open. According to an article wrote by Timothy Mott, nonverbal communication is very important. In face-to-face interaction with both the student and the faculty, gestures, postures, often communicate how a person is feeling towards the conversation. Students should not underestimate the power they have in reaching out to their instructor in interpersonal goals by using nonverbal communication, such as forward body leans, head nods, eye contact. This is why I think that video chat would be a very good implication into our class for speech. I think it will help any of the classes that are online, but in speech, you have to see the reaction of the audience, and when you're on an online class, you tend to not get that face-to-face or what the other person is feeling because you don't see them. You're on email or Blackboard and you don't get that interaction through your classmates, which I feel is very important. I think that it'd be very helpful in this class. Another way for our classmates as well as instructors to communicate is through an audio chat, which is available through a program called Wimba. This program already exists at UMKC, so I believe it is a proven program that works. All you need is a simple microphone that plugs into your computer, or your laptop probably already has a microphone. There's not a lot of equipment to buy, and this program can be utilized for a very minimal cost. I think this would be helpful in Speech 175, especially in our group project, to where we could hold meetings online. Due to the distance between students, we have been unable really to have many meetings. And I feel that if we had online chat to where we could all get on together and as a group talk about everything, it would be a lot more easier, and I believe we would have had a lot more participants. As far as the homework assignments that I wanted to cover, the automated system, I believe that would have been a very important part in our classwork. We have had, for some reason, some difficulties getting our homework assigned to us throughout the week. Sometimes we would get them on Wednesdays, Tuesdays, and I believe that this program would really help us if we have a set day. Our homework is due on Sunday at 8 o'clock. So this automated system would have the next week's programs of all our homework at 8:01 p.m. that Sunday night. So we would have all week till next Sunday to do that. And I think that would be critical in us accomplishing our homework, get our goals accomplished, and for all of us to have the ample time to get the grades we need. Online classes, to me, are supposed to be for the user to, when all of us work, so we need the time to get this homework done. So online classes are designed so you can work at your own pace when you do have the time. And I believe that this program would make that more accessible. I think I've hit on all of our points on our program, or on our group project. Now, part 2 is going to be given by my other group participant, Aaron, and I hope that this will help him. I'm going to upload this to him, so I hope this helps him with that part. Thank you very much. I'd like you to show the audience.
How you doing? Yes. There we go. Howdy.